Trau Quy House by TOOB Studio in TRA with Circumflex UQU, Vietnam. Trau Quy House is a bespoke design for a middle-aged family with a simple, nostalgic, and introverted lifestyle. The house characterized itself by thorough moderation of details as a celebration of space orientation. It is an intersection within different buffer zones as well as with nature, which was expressed through the movement of light within a day. On the other hand, we created a responsive design as the house was not completed by construction but having rooms for personalization of the owners. These personal touches then contribute to placemaking of the house as well as allowing we architects an opportunity to reflect, when coming back after years,